Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with Nclose, and today I'm going to show you how to mount your quick release onto any of the Nclose mounts. So first off, you will notice there are these screw holes and nubs on the back. Notice those will recess very nicely into the mount. Also on the back, this is to disable the quick release. So if you do want to disable the ability to press the button and slide this in and out, you simply tighten this screw down once the product's on and you will not be able to remove it. We leave it in there because you may want to adjust it sometimes for night, sometimes during the day. But bottom line, this is called your slide, and this slide is going to be attached to the back of your case. Notice we leave the quick release on the left-hand side and we keep the opening at the top and the bottom closed so that the tablet never falls out. So once you go ahead and get this on here, it snaps in nicely. I like to turn it like this because it's easier for me to screw in. Now I'm going to take my screws that actually have some washers. They're going to be different heights at different times, and you're just going to go ahead and get those started here. Once you get those started, get your other one started. Now, also notice that before you tighten these down, you do want to align the quick release to the edges so that you do have symmetry and you eliminate any of the gaps. The next thing we do once we've completed this is we're going to take our slide that we removed from this and we're going to go ahead and attach that to the back of our enclosure. So right now I need to just tighten down my first screw and my second. Okay, so now we go ahead and we adjust this. Note that on the back of my iPad case, I have attached my slide. On the slide, you notice that there's a rounded edge and a straight edge. I've also attached a hand strap on a side profile so that it can easily glide on, but be used. So also, you can put 2 or 4 screws in depending on where you want, and you can adjust the height of this. Now, what we like to do is to bring your tablet here, come on at a slight angle, slide it in. Once you slide it in, you're gonna hear a click. You're now enabled. Notice it doesn't move. If you want it to move, you press the button in the back right here and everything will come off. You just simply pull up, go ahead and apply your hand strap, and you're good to go. Thank you. This is Jimmy with Nclose.